Hi guys! Today ChatGPT and MidJourney are going to generate many beautiful AI high-quality images. Let's see these AI images. Look at the beauty of AI. Nice! Here are some few images. Here is a banana in an apple form, a super dog and others. First, go to your web browser and search for MidJourney. Then join them in their Discord group in their webpage or just here. The link is in the description. Sign up to Discord app for free and accept their invitation. And you are in the MidJourney Discord group. Choose a server in their group, like newbies. Then type /imagine. And in the prompt, type the description of your image. For this, go to ChatGPT and ask him to generate keywords separated by commas, as an example for a beautiful landscape. Then copy them and paste them in the MidJourney prompt. Wait 1 or 2 minutes, and here is the exact result. Boom! We can choose one image for those 4, and apply some changes on. At the end you can download them by clicking on them, then open them in your browser, and saving them. Great! You can do the same thing with any image you want. You can do it for an eagle at night. Even for a logo. Wow! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a beautiful comment, or if you really like the channel, or if you subscribe, more interesting videos are coming. See you next time.